In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove all partitions from a drive in Windows 11. Before we start, a quick but very important warning. Removing partitions will erase everything on the selected drive. That means all files, folders, and any existing operating systems on that drive will be completely wiped. Make sure you've backed up anything important to another drive or to the cloud before you continue. Once these steps are done, there's no easy way to undo them. First, you'll want to open the Disk Management tool in Windows 11. The easiest way is to right-click on the Start button on your taskbar. In the menu that appears, look for the option called Disk Management and click it. After a moment, a window will open showing all the drives connected to your computer, along with their partitions. Take a moment here to carefully identify the drive you want to wipe. You can use the disk size and the labels to help you. It's absolutely crucial that you select the correct drive, especially if you have multiple disks installed. If you remove partitions from the wrong drive, you could lose important data or even your main Windows installation. Once you've confirmed the correct drive, look at its partitions in the lower section of the Disk Management window. You'll see blocks labeled with things like Primary Partition or Simple Volume. To remove a partition, right-click on one of these blocks and choose Delete Volume. Windows will ask you to confirm because this action deletes everything on that partition. Click Yes to continue. Repeat the same process for every partition on that drive. Right-click each one and select Delete Volume, then Confirm. As you remove them, you'll notice that the space on the drive changes to say Unallocated. That means the space is now completely empty and no longer assigned to a partition. When you've deleted all the partitions on that drive, the entire drive should show as unallocated space. At this point, you've successfully removed all partitions from the drive. If your goal is simply to wipe the drive, you can stop here. If you plan to reuse the drive, you can immediately create a new partition. Just right-click on the unallocated area, choose New Simple Volume, and follow the wizard to assign a size, a drive letter, and a file system like NTFS. When that completes, your drive will be ready to use again in Windows 11.